Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best surf fishing rod you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best surf fishing rod on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which surf fishing rod are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Penn Pursuit 3 fishing rod. Penn Pursuit 3 and Pursuit 4 specializes for fishing tackle, and if you're an inshore, offshore, or beach angler, you'll know their name is trusted. Penn Pursuit 3 and Pursuit 4 series are excellent surf rods, built to cast, fight, and last. Penn equips the Carnage 2 with a composite of graphite and fiberglass that pairs the rigidity and sensitivity of the former with the flexibility and durability of the latter. Compared to the ugly stick Big Water, which is about 1/4 the price of this rod, you're frankly getting a lot more rod, and the dollars you spend really do seem to count here. The tip is quite sensitive, and from nibbles to the action of a crankbait, you'll be aware of what's going on at the end of your line. The blank bends easily for the first 40% or so, before hitting the real backbone this rod offers, which is confidence-inspiringly stiff. Our second best surf fishing rod is Fiblink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod. This is sensitive and solid carbon fiber construction for improved performance action and increased sensitivity. The rod delivers the extraordinary toughness of solid carbon fiber construction and precisely tuned action for boat fishing. High-performance stainless steel mixed with ceramic guide makes it more smooth, avoids line stucking in the guides, minimize friction for smooth, long casts, while also enhancing sensitivity by transferring vibrations from the line through the guide to the rod into your hand. Excellent design, precise data calculation and the perfect combination of performance presents a cost-effective pull. These rods are designed for the best in fish fighting power and versatility for use with a wide variety of techniques. Strong, powerful action blanks can handle both bait and lure fishing duties for long-distance casting and the power to handle fish in a surf rod. Powerful actions for big surf duty. The double-footed stainless steel guide frames keep your line running straight. Non-slip rubber shrink tube handle with tapered rear grip. Tip over butt ferrule connection for maximum strength and durability. Machine tapered hood transitions above and below. Extreme exposure reel seat will seat with stainless steel tapered hood transitions above and below reel seat protecting cap. Number 3 in our list is Fiblink 15 feet surf spinning fishing rod. Fiblink surf rods are strong and unique travel rods, ideal for surf anglers. Built on carbon fiber blank, stainless steel guides, high-strength reel seat, rubber butt caps, blue textured shrink tube fore and rear grip, this rod is lightweight and responsive. Surf fishing rods are constructed with carbon fiber blanks, which gives the spinning rods incredible performance, sensitivity, strength, and power. It's specifically designed to combat fishing from the rocks and surf. Stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts make it more smooth and durable, avoid line sticking into the guides, minimize line friction, dissipate heat efficiently. Stainless steel guides and tips are perfectly spaced and sized for long casts. Will seat with stainless steel tapered hood transitions above and below reel seat protecting cap. Comfortable grip design with textured shrink tube fore and rear grips that will give you incredible grip, even when wet or covered in the bait. Finished with high quality components, carbon fiber blank, stainless steel guides, high strength reel seats, the Fiblink fishing rod is a great rod for the beginner and avid surf angler alike. Spigot joint designed to increase the service life of the rod, while smooth power transition gives 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces fishing rod the 1 pieces rod performance. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Berry Pro Surf Spinning Rod. Berry Pro surf fishing rods are constructed with IM8X carbon technology blanks, which gives the rods incredible sensitivity and power. Enhanced stainless steel fishing guide with ceramic ring makes it more smooth. Minimize friction between the line and the guide. The guides are precisely aligned, along the bottom of the spine of the blank, so when make a long cast, the sensitivity will be transferred from the line to the rod and then to your hand perfectly. Quality components: high strength reel seat, special full shrink tube designed for foregrip and rear grip, and rubber butt cap makes your fishing more comfortable. Precise data calculation makes the toughness and flexibility combined perfectly on this pole. Berry Pro surf rods are designed with advanced IM8X carbon technology, which gives the rods incredible sensitivity and power, also makes the toughness and flexibility combined perfectly on this pole. Slim, light, durability, affordability, all these advantages and characteristics are perfectly reflected in our surf rods. Available in a wide range of lengths and actions, they offer a high level of surf fishing performance for angler. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best surf fishing rod list is tailored tackle fishing rods. The tailored tackle surf combo is one of the only heavy-duty, premium, saltwater fishing rod and reel combos for big swells on the beach. This combo can handle waves up to 8 foot easily and can cast over 100 yards with a 4 ounces sinker. The heavy-duty strength we put into the saltwater rod's power gives you backbone to take on big black tip shark, but still light enough for long treks on the beach. Moderate fast action gives you a very sensitive tip for such a heavy-duty rod with enough flex to whip your surf rigs and lures out far. Holds up to 500 yards of 30 pounds braided line, so you can let the saltwater resistant drag system peel out on big fish. Screw in the handle on either side for left and right-handed anglers. 7+1 ball bearings for one of the smoothest saltwater fishing reels at a big surf fishing size. 4-finger fighting knob handle to lug in big fish. Premium one-piece welded aluminum oxide guides are the most rust-resistant saltwater rod guides on the market. The smooth guides coupled with our heavy-duty, split-grip EVA casting handle with casting knob lets you shoot your bait out fast and easy.